Another part of it I really enjoyed was the Upstander Movement, and made me realise that a lot of things that I see day to day that probably I let go, I shouldn't let go, that they go full circle and come back as a bigger problem later on, or you just end up dealing with the problem in the future, so you're not actually saving anything by not dealing with it there and then.
Well, if I see something wrong, someone being bullied, step in and say, no, stop, that's not the right way of doing things.
I've called out bad behaviour since, and I think you need to have that courage to be able to do it. It's easier for somebody to call out bad behaviour when they have support. It takes bravery to call it out when you're standing by yourself.
I was really impressed with how Jess and her partner interacted with the group. The sessions had variety and there were different forms of interacting. We weren't always left with the same group, we were mixed around. Even the presentation style changed. I think all of that helped involve people.
I've definitely got a lot more out of it than most courses we go to. It's good just to come to these things regularly, to bring your professional development back into the front of your mind, rather than getting bogged down in the day-to-day. You're thinking about what you're doing and how you're going to approach things, rather than, especially myself, very task-focused and charge in and try and get things done and keep trying to get things done even when the workload gets a bit over the top.